Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear student. Welcome to my YouTube channel Learn with Azam. Today we will discuss about new syllabus mathematics D2 chapter number 3 sets. Today we will discuss exercise 3C intermediate level question number 11 to 15 in part 3. In part 2 we will discuss basic questions as question number 6 to 10. Now we will discuss about question number 11 to 15. In question number 11, given statement is that it is given that m is equal to x such that x is a perfect square such that x is less than 70 and greater than 0, and p is a perfect cube such that x is less than 70 and greater than 0. In first part, list the element of M and P. Now we will write the element of M and P in element of M. M is equal to such that now M is equal to 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49 and 64, and P is equal to 1, 8, 27 and 64. Discuss part to draw the Venn diagram to represent the M and P. Now the universal set shows that the Venn diagram and first set and second set. Only 64 is that element in both sets. Now we have in third part from the Venn diagram list the all element of P intersection M. Now insert notation. So M intersection P that is equal to element of M intersection element of P. In both sets only 64 is an element that is common in both sets. Now we have in next question number 12. It is given that n is equal to x such that x is a multiple of 8 such that x is greater than 0 and less than equal to 32, and q is set x such that x is a multiple of 4 such that x is greater than 0 and less than equal to 32. Now find that in first part list all the elements of n and q in set notation. Here, first of all, element of n that have multiple of 8 such that less than equal to 32. Now, 8, 16, 24 and 32. And Q is a set of multiple of 4. So we write that 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28 and 32. Now in next part find n intersection q. So we write that n intersection q that is equal to element of n intersection element of q. Now taking the common element in both sets, so this is equal to 8, 16, 24 and 32. Now in next part, draw the Venn diagram to represent the set of n and q. So the universal set and draw the first set and second set because n is a subset of q, so all elements of n in q. Now in next part, if n intersection q is equal to n, explain why. So all element of n is belong to the element of Q. Or in simple wording, we can say that because all the element of n is a subset of Q. We note that n is a subset of Q because all the element of n in set Q. Now we have question number 13. It is given that R is equal to x such that x is a positive integer and factors of 18 and s is equal to x such that x is a composite number between 9 and 18. First of all, write the element of R and S in set notation. Now, R is equal to the element of positive integer factor of 18. These are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Now the element of S is a composite number between 9 and 18. So we have 10, 12, 14, 15 and 16. Now we have in second part, we can find that R intersection S. Explain. First of all, R intersection S, that is equal to element of R intersection element of S. So write the common element in both sets. Here we can see that no common element in both sets, so that is empty set. Now in next part, draw the Venn diagram to represent R and S. So we have draw the Venn diagram and set of first element and set of second element. Both are non-empty sets, so here no element is common. So we draw the element as a Venn diagram. In question number 14, t is equal to x such that x is a multiple of 4. That is, x is greater than 0 and less than 16. And u is also positive integer and factor of 24. Now we have find that place the element of t and u in set notation. So we write that t is equal to 4, 8 and 12 and u is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Now we have solved the second part of question number 2. In second part, draw the Venn diagram to represent the set T and U. Now we have see that the element of first set and element of second set because all the element of T is a subset of U, so we draw the diagram in figure. Now in next part from the diagram find T union U. Now we have find the union, we can draw T union U. In T union U, we can see that in T union U, write the element of T, sign of U and element of U. We write the element in union, all the elements in both sets. So answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. In next part, T union U that is equal to U. Why? Now we have element of T is a subset of U. All element of T belong to U. So this is the example. T is in U. Now in question number 15, today last question, it is given that V is equal to X such that X is a positive integer and factor of 25 and W is the multiple of 6 such that X is less than 25. Now we have in first part list all the element of V and W. Now in this set V is equal to 1, 5 and 25. in W that is equal to 6, 12, 18 and 24. Now in next part draw the Venn diagram to represent V and W. Now we can draw the Venn diagram and show the first set and second set. Both are disjoint sets, so the element of V is 1, 5 and 25 and element of U VW is 6, 12, 18 and 24. Now in next part from the Venn diagram find the value of V union W. Now V union W element of V union element of W. In union write all the elements, so answer is 1, 5, 6, 12, 18, 24 and